Hello, my name is Urs. I'm chemical engineer at ETH Zurich. I will explain you how we just set up a single column pressure swing adsorption system which we run on the pressurized air from the lab. So we have two valves. One is a three-way valve and one is a three-way valve used as a two-way valve. And in the morning we explained you how to set up the electronics and the Arduino which controls the electronics. So first we feed pressurized air into our zeolite column, and the zeolite column has at the top and the bottom some steel wool that hinders the zeolite beads from flowing out of the column. Then we have the pressurized oxygen goes through the second valve and into a vessel that just stores the oxygen and then passes it further to a flexible vessel, and that flexible vessel is charged and then slowly discharged, and with this we can produce oxygen at about 50% purity and at 2 to 5 liters per minute.